Hello everyone, welcome back to our blog once again. In this video, we are going to learn about how our we can give a customize title table legend in Matplotlib. So customizing plot makes your visualization more professional and easy to understand, right? So so the first question is why customize graph? So suppose you write your title and it will explain the purpose. What is the purpose of this chart or graph? Label. You can make your own access clear, make your access is clear, like what is this kind of access, what this access explain, right? And legend describe multiple data series, and make sure plots presentation ready, right? You can basically in short term a good visualization communicates clearly, right? So what we'll do, we'll create a file that's a label.py, right? So we'll create the we created the folder, we'll create file, say label.py. Now we'll clear this, and what we'll do, we'll import matplotlib. So import, yeah. So we'll define x equals to, we can say 1 2, and we can say 4 and 5, right? So we declare x, and we can say y1 equals to, say 10, say 15, say 12, and we can say 18 and 20, right? Suppose, and the same way we declare y2 equals to, say 8, we can say 12, we can say 14, we can say 15, we can say 17, right? Now we are going to plot two line so legends, right? So what we'll do, we'll plot, so plt dot plot, right? And we are going to say x comma y1, right? And we'll say label equals to series 1, right? This is our first data, and we'll say color equals to, we can say blue, right? And marker we can give O, right? That's it, yeah. So we'll plot the second one here. So we'll say plt dot plot, and we'll say, let me copy this, change this, that same thing. Yeah. This is going to be y2, and label, and this is going, the label will going to be series 2, series 2. Color we can say green, no, we can say red, so that it will be clear, and marker is going to be yes, right? Now we will add the customized title. So we'll say plot dot title, say customized graph, right? Now we'll say x label is going to be x axis label, right? And axis label, right? And then plt dot y label is going to be y label, no, y axis label, right? What we wanted to do, and we'll say plt dot so we'll print this. So we are plotting two line. First one is the series 1 and series 2. So let's run it and we'll see what we get it here. So we'll say python label.py. See, we got the two line. So first one is the customized title, and this is y-axis label, and this is x-axis label, right? And we have say, for the first one, the color blue, we have say the marker is O type, like you see, we can see that, and the marker is basically yes, so you can see that, that's a different thing, right? Now this is what so plt title basically add a title, plt x label and y label basically add the label access, right? Now suppose you want to add a legend, right? So for showing the legend, close this first. Yeah. For showing the legend, so we'll say plt dot legend, and we'll see this. So label inside plot defines series name, and legend basically display the legend. So let's run it and we'll see. We got the series 1 and series 2, so that a user, whenever the user see it, it will understand. So for the series 1 it will follow the color blue, and for the series 2 it will, the user will follow the red color, right? That's how the customization work, right? It's good to like define the display the legend, so that anyone who will see the graph, they can easily understand it, what is happening here. Now there are some tips for the customization. I will tell you. First, user descriptive title should be there, that we have given here, right? And all the label of access should be clear. And whenever you are plotting the multiple line of a plot, or suppose there could be a 4 or 5 line, right? So let me add a four on. There is a one more data, say y3 and y4, right? Y3 and y4, and we're going to change some value, that is going to 100, you can say 150, you can say 120, say 181 and 200, right? And this we can say 18 and 120, you can say 14, we can say 115, and then we can 70, right? And let me copy this, that is series 3, and that is series 4, and the color is could be green, and we can color, we can say red, green, blue, say black. Yeah, that's black. So we can be marker, we can change this, we can say O, we can say O, and then we can say S, right? So let's run this and see. Oh, so we are plotting only, oh yeah, we didn't pass the data here, so we have to say 3, and then we have to say 4, right? So let's run it and we'll see we got the 4 chart, right? That's why the series is a the legend is very important, so that user can understand. For the series 3, suppose user want to see series 3, so they can see the green line explaining the series 3. And now suppose user want to see the blue color, but he can see that, but if legend are not there, then he will not understand, or she will not understand what is exactly happening here. That's why legend are very important, right? And one more thing to is very important to understand, the changing color of a particular series of data, very important. And yeah, that's it for the customized graph in Matplotlib. Now your plot will look like professional with title, label, and legend. And if this help you, don't forget to like and subscribe. So in the next video, I will see you. Yeah, thank you.